Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your XIAOMI Pad 6. So the first step, open the Play Store and look for the Fax App. Install it and open. Remember that you have your FreeCats banner. To show it again, you have to restart the application after the setup. Okay, now add the permissions to the camera and to the files. Click on the plus to choose source of the document. Like add something from the gallery. Now click on the import and add as a shape to your document. If you already click the arrow icon, and now choose the filter for a photo to make it more visible to the receiver. If you already click accept, type the normal displays, choose the country from the list, and to send this message, just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.